All right, everybody. This is the 7:30 update. It is still snowing. You can see just a little bit. It's not much right now. And we're going to see exactly what we got here. Alright. And it looks like about 1.5 inches. See what it's on the grass. Well, actually, as you can see, it's actually about 2.5 inches. Everything's pretty nice out right now. This is a view of our backyard. All right. That's it again. So far we've had about 2.5 inches. I was posting right about there where the middle of my thumb is.